If you'd like to work along with me at home, open the Project Files folder, Lesson 5 folder, and then Automating Formats. And we're on the Styles Start worksheet, where we have a plain Jane worksheet with no formatting whatsoever. We're going to format this with just a couple of mouse clicks and see how easy it can be to use Excel's built-in styles to format cells. Styles, what's that? Well, you can find those in the Styles group of the Home tab. Let's just head on over and take a look. Here's the Cell Styles drop-down list. And here we can see some predefined formats that we can apply to any cell that we choose. Let's take a look at what the finished worksheet will look like before we get in here and play around with it. We'll go down to the Styles End worksheet. Here we can see we have some nice colors and everything seems to be coordinated. The colors seem to match well, and it's nice and eye-appealing with just the right taste of formatting. This is what we're going to do then. Let's go back to the Style Start, and I'd like to go over to the Page Layout tab and reset our theme to Office. Let's take a look at our Styles End. Okay, still looking good. Back to Style Start. Here's how we use it. On the Home tab, we go to the Cell Styles, click the drop-down arrow, and then we try to find things that seem to make sense. What we're looking for in this case is a heading style for this Music Man title, or even maybe just a title. How's that? Let's try that. Let's click in cell B1. That's where the Music Man is actually stored. And then go over to Cell Styles and we'll just say apply the title style to that. And it instantly takes on bold and blue and, well, it looks like 18 points Cambria font. Then we'll come over and select. Let's go over here and do this whole thing of cells right here. Even though the text is all contained in cell B2, we want to get the formatting that's going to be applied to the border here so that the border goes the whole way across and not just get applied to cell B2. So we're going to go over now to the Cell Styles and then choose Heading 1. And I'm looking it over and it looks like I didn't go far enough. See, my border didn't come out far enough. So I really should have come out the whole way to F, but that's all right. We'll just reselect those guys, come the whole way out to column F, and then go back and do Heading 1 again. Lovely. Now we're going to take these guys here and we're going to apply some accent formatting. Let's do 20% accent 1. We'll select these guys here and then we're going to do a different accent formatting. How about this one, 20% accent 2. And we'll get these guys and we'll do another one. These colors are all beautifully coordinated. They look great. Down here we're going to do grand total, and this time we're going to get a, how about a total style like this one here. And then finally, we need to format our numbers. So we're just going to select the numbers, go up to the Cell Styles, and then look for one of these guys. How about currency with 0 decimal places, or currency that has the decimal places, or comma. You could use any one of these built-in number formats. I like the currency with no decimal points, so we'll just click on that, and there with just a couple of mouse clicks we have a beautifully formatted and simply tasteful worksheet. Now what's really great about these styles is Excel provides a way for us to create our own styles or even to modify the built-in styles. But like working with themes, that's something that's going to have to wait until we get into the intermediate class. For now, this should just give you enough to answer the question, what's that styles button up there, and let you work around with this and experiment a little bit. But come back to the intermediate class and we'll pull this apart and show you all the cool things you can do with it.